2 words, homemade bread. Slathered with some butter, there's nothing better. The nice people at Homgeek sent me one of their automatic bread makers. We're gonna unbox this baby and then we will put it to the test. So join me as we unbox the Homgeek automatic bread maker. So you guys know I absolutely love bread machines. Most of the time I use them just as a dough machine. I make my dough in there, I take it out, I shape it, I let it rise again, and I throw it in the oven. It is fantastic. Now I just want to thank Homgeek for sending me this bread maker. I'm really anxious to try it out. We're actually even going to try maybe some jam in one of these babies, right? So thanks Homgeek for sending me this. If you want to take a look at it, I'll put a link in the description to the Amazon page. So let's get this bad boy open. So here is our bread machine. And look at it. I love it. And look at this yummy, yummy bread, right? So this is 500 watt heating power. It has a capacity of a 2-pound loaf. It has a low noise DC motor. It has 19 programs with an LCD display. It has adjustable crust control, light, medium, and dark. It has 10-minute electric power cutoff memory. And that's nice because if your power goes out or someone knocks the cord off, you can plug it back in and it will know where it was. It didn't ruin your cycle. 60-minute warm keeping, a measuring cup and a spoon, your bread pan and your mixing blade, and then you have a viewing window. So let's see. The Homgeek bread machine, yay. And here is our user manual and talks about your usual how to operate it and all that fun stuff. Has a troubleshooting guide and lots of different kinds of recipes here, like based on the cycle. Basic bread, quick, sweet, French, whole wheat, and rice bread. That's kind of interesting. Gluten-free, desserts, mix, dough setting, kneading, cake, jam, yogurt, sticky rice, stir fry. That's interesting. Wow, so we gotta check that out. So here is our bread machine. Yay! Let me see if I can get it out of here. Wow. Nice. Woo-hoo. Nice, nice, nice. Let's open this bad boy up. And what do we have in here? We have a little hook for the pan. We have, oh, I like these. It has a tablespoon and a teaspoon measure. And here's our measuring cup. Here is a kneading paddle. And here is our loaf pan. This makes a vertical loaf, which is interesting because when it comes out, you end up slicing the bread this way. which is good. For me, I mainly use these for dough. I mainly make my dough in here. I make my bread machine dinner rolls. They're absolutely fantastic. I'll put a link in the description to those. You take the dough out, you shape it, you let it rise again, and you put it in the oven. But I'm really interested in trying to make some jam in this. I've never made jam in a bread machine before, so I think that's one of the first things we're going to try out. So when you use one of these, you just put the paddle in here. Then we're going to put our pan back in here. Sweet. Close the lid. Plug it in. And these are your cycles. So it will tell you 1 basic, 2 quick, 3 sweet, 4 French, 5 whole wheat, 6 rice bread. That's kind of interesting. Maybe if you're allergic to wheat. Gluten-free, dessert, mix, dough, knead. These are cycles that just do that. So you can buy grocery store frozen dough and you could throw it in here on knead, let it knead, and then bake it in here. Cake, jam, yogurt. This is just a baking cycle. Sticky rice. This is pretty interesting to me. Rice, wine, defrost, and stir fry. I've never seen that on a bread machine before. So this will just change the cycle. 6, 7. Weight, 1, 1.5, and 2. Color setting, light, medium, dark, and fruit. And you can set the timer up and down. And then you just hit start. Right? And it's basically kneading nothing. Or mixing nothing. That's the initial, just combining the ingredients. Cool. I love it. I'm excited. I want to make jam in this bad boy. I think that's the first thing I'm going to make is jam. Just because I've never made a jam in a bread machine before. So I really like it. I like the shape of it. It's nice and compact. If you want to put it on your counter, it's narrow, so it doesn't take up a lot of room this way. Easy to store in a cabinet because it's narrow. I think I'm going to like this one. So stay tuned. We're going to do a full test and review. We're going to make some bread. We're going to maybe do some jam. And we're going to have a lot of fun with this. So once again, thank you, Homgeek, for sending this. I'm really going to enjoy it. We're going to test it out, and we're going to have a lot of fun with it. If you'd like to take a look at this bread machine, go ahead and hit the link down in the description to the Amazon page, and you can take a look for yourself. If you like this video, please subscribe below and hit the bell so you'll be notified of our latest uploads. You can find us on amylearnstocook.com, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest at Amy Learns to Cook. Bread!